Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is development of male gametophyte. In this topic we are going to see how a single cell nucleus is converted into male gametophyte. The development of male gametophyte takes place by two successive mitotic division. What is the mitotic division? Mitotic division we are already studied in class 11. Mitotic division. Here a single parent cell containing a nucleus, a single parent cell containing a nucleus having a chromosome, a pair of chromosome, that is diploid cell, is divided into haploid daughter cell having same number of chromosome. Haploid daughter cell having same number of chromosome as their parent. Hence, mitotic division is also known as equational division. This type of division is seen in the development of male gametophyte. How? See, a mature spore showing spiny exine, abundant cytoplasm, smooth intime, and a single nucleus. This structure we already studied in the previous lecture, that is the structure of microspore, if you studied very well. This microspore undergoes first mitotic division. Undergoes first mitotic division. The first mitotic division in the microspore forms a two nucleated structure, means a microspore having intime, smooth intime, spiny exine, abundant cytoplasm, and a large vegetative cell and a small generative cell. You can label this like that: a large vegetative nucleus or cell and a small generative nucleus or cell. Did you understand? In first mitotic division, microspore gives two nucleated structure. In this, the large, bigger means naked, म्हणजे डोळ्यांनी पाहता येईल असं, vegetative cell and a small thin generative cell. This small thin generative cell is floating in the cytoplasm. Now, in the second mitotic division, that is a thin intime, spiny exine, bigger vegetative cell, thin small generative cell undergoes second mitotic division. Second mitotic division. Now the second mitotic division takes place only in the generative cell. You can label this generative cell and vegetative cell. This vegetative cell degenerates in this process. Now, the generative cell in which the second mitotic division takes place gives two male gametes. How? See, a smooth intine as it is, spiny exine as it is, cytoplasm is there as it is, and a degenerating vegetative cell and a pair of male gamete, that is two male gametes. You can label this male gametes. Because of the two male gametes, there is a pressure created on the intine. Hence, intine shows a tube-like structure or the formation of tube-like structure like this. Intine shows the formation of tube-like structure. Exine ruptures. This tube-like structure contains two male gametes and abundant cytoplasm. The male gametophyte is the structure having two male gametes, pollen tube and cytoplasm. Okay? Did you get the point? Good.